Hello, everyone. AV system installations today go far beyond mounting displays and connecting cables. Projects often involve integrating audio, video, control systems, and network components, all while meeting design specifications, safety standards, and client expectations. That's why professionals working in AV installation need both technical knowledge and a clear understanding of installation best practices. The Certified Technology Specialist installation certification from AVIXA validates your ability to implement AV solutions correctly, from installation and testing to troubleshooting and system verification. In this video, we'll go through a few practice questions that reflect the types of installation scenarios covered on the certification exam. Question number 1. How often should your toolbox multimeter be sent to an accredited testing laboratory for recalibration? A. Before the commencement of each project. B. Every 5 years. C. Yearly. D. Never. It should be calibrated against your organization's highest precision test instrument. Answer D. Never. It should be calibrated against your organization's highest precision test instrument. Explanation. A toolbox multimeter is not usually sent to an external accredited laboratory for frequent recalibration. Instead, it is checked internally against a higher accuracy reference instrument within the organization. This ensures the readings remain reliable for daily use. Regular internal verification is more practical and cost-effective than yearly or project-based lab calibration. Therefore, external recalibration is considered unnecessary in this context. Question number 2. Which of the following tasks would not be included in a preventive maintenance program? Choose all that apply. A. Checking the equalization and gain structure on the audio replay system. B. Changing the preset frequencies on the handheld radio system. C. Testing the failover systems for redundant spare equipment. D. Checking the batteries in uninterruptible power supply systems. Answer. A. Checking the equalization and gain structure on the audio replay system. And B. Changing the preset frequencies on the handheld radio system. Explanation. Preventive maintenance focuses on routine checks that keep equipment reliable and ready for use. Tasks like testing failover systems C and checking UPS batteries D are part of this because they ensure system readiness. However, adjusting audio equalization and changing radio frequencies A and B are configuration or operational changes, not maintenance. These actions affect performance settings rather than preventing equipment failure. Question number 3. Which of the following should a maintenance log include? Choose all that apply. A. Devices replaced. B. Description of problem. C. Date of service. D. Name of technician. Answer A. Devices replaced. B. Description of problem. C. Date of service. D. Name of technician. Explanation. A maintenance log is used to keep a complete record of all service activities performed on equipment. It should include the date of service, C, and the name of the technician, D, for accountability. It also records the description of the problem, B, to understand what issue was reported. Additionally, devices replaced, A, are documented to track parts usage and equipment history. Question number 4. What assumptions should you make about an audio system when there is no audio output? Choose all that apply. A. The gain on the main audio amplifier may be wound down to 0. B. The mixing desk channel for the microphone is switched to line input mode. C. The user is a complete idiot and did not switch the microphone on. D. Make no assumptions at all and select a troubleshooting strategy. Answer. D. Make no assumptions at all and select a troubleshooting strategy. Explanation. When there is no audio output, the correct approach is to avoid jumping to conclusions. Assuming specific faults, like amplifier settings or user error, can lead to wasted time and incorrect troubleshooting. Instead, a systematic troubleshooting method should be followed to isolate a real cause step by step. Therefore, no assumptions should be made and a structured diagnostic strategy should be used. Question number 5. Which of the following steps should be undertaken before attempting the troubleshooting process? Choose all that apply. A. Familiarize yourself with the AV systems and equipment. B. Have the system documentation at hand. C. Order a spare system controller. D. Get an understanding of the warranty and maintenance agreements. Answer. A. Familiarize yourself with the AV systems and equipment. B. Have the system documentation at hand. D. Get an understanding of the warranty and maintenance agreements. Explanation. Before starting any troubleshooting process, it is important to prepare properly to ensure efficiency and avoid unnecessary mistakes. First, you should familiarize yourself with the AV systems and equipment so you understand how the system normally operates. Having the system documentation at hand is also essential because it provides wiring diagrams, configurations, and reference settings. You should also understand the warranty and maintenance agreements so you know what support or restrictions apply during troubleshooting. These steps help you avoid incorrect assumptions and reduce downtime. Proper preparation also ensures that troubleshooting is done in a structured and professional way. It ultimately saves time and prevents further system issues. AV installation work requires attention to detail, coordination, and a solid understanding of how different system components come together in real environments. Practicing questions like these can help you become more familiar with how installation tasks and troubleshooting scenarios are assessed on the AVIXA Certified Technology Specialist installation exam. If you'd like to work through more questions like these, check out the link in the description for additional practice questions available on CertBoosters' website. Subscribe to the channel for more certification practice videos across AV, IT, cloud, and cybersecurity domains. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your exam preparation.